In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate mobile car detailing leads in 2025 step by step. Let's start with Facebook, because for many local service businesses, this is where trust is built fast. Your Facebook page should work like a lead machine. Make sure your business name is clear and specific, your service area is easy to understand, and your page shows that people can contact you quickly through Messenger or a phone number. It also helps to display an affordable starting price or package range, because clarity makes people more comfortable reaching out. Most importantly, your page should include strong before and after photos, a pinned price list, and customer testimonials. People usually decide to message when they feel both trust and clarity. Next, post daily before and after content. This is one of the strongest ways to attract attention. Focus on transformation style posts, like dirty versus clean results, foam wash videos, interior deep cleaning reveals, and satisfying scrubbing clips. Always include a simple call to action telling viewers to message you for booking in your service area. The easier you make the next step, the more likely people are to inquire. After that, join local Facebook groups. These can be a goldmine for local leads if used properly. Look for buy and sell groups, local car owner communities, and neighborhood or subdivision groups. Post a few times each week in each group, but avoid repeating the exact same content too often. Rotate your photos, videos, and wording so it feels natural and not spammy. Keep your message simple. Explain that you offer mobile car detailing, mention that you go to the customer's home, and invite them to message for scheduling. If you want faster results, run simple Facebook Messenger ads. Choose the messages objective, target your service area and nearby towns, and set a modest daily budget. The best ad creative is usually a strong before and after video, a clear starting price, and a message that emphasizes convenience, especially that you come to the customer's home. This setup is designed to bring in direct inquiries quickly. You should also use TikTok as a free traffic source. Post satisfying foam wash clips, extreme transformations, customer home detailing content, and time-lapse cleaning videos. Add a caption that clearly says what area you serve and invites people to direct message you to book. On top of that, build a referral system. Offer a small discount or a simple bonus service when a customer refers a friend. This turns happy customers into promoters and creates word-of-mouth leads. Don't forget your Google business profile. Add your business name, service area, photos, and contact details so local customers searching for car detailing nearby can find you. You can also create simple flyers for offline leads and place them in high-traffic local spots. Include your services, prices, and Facebook page. Finally, use hook offers like intro promos or first-time customer discounts, and make sure you respond to messages fast.